How to make a name invisible on Instagram. You can make your Instagram name invisible by using this method, and here is how to do it easily. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now here you can see the name available on your screen here at the top of post and followers. Now in order to make it invisible, tap on the edit profile option available there. Then simply tap on the name and tap on the cross icon available there. Then tap on the save or done option available there. Once done so, go back and check, there will be no name available. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.